Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Tax season is here, and if you're like us, you're probably feeling a bit overwhelmed. But don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's sure to put a smile on your face: Bitcoin and taxes. Body. So, what's the deal with Bitcoin and taxes? Well, it turns out that the IRS considers Bitcoin to be property, which means that it's subject to capital gains taxes. And if you're not careful, you could end up owing Uncle Sam a whole lot of money. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. There are some ways to minimize your tax liability when it comes to Bitcoin. For example, if you hold onto your Bitcoin for more than a year, you'll be subject to long-term capital gains tax rates, which are typically lower than short-term rates. And here's where things get even better. If you've been mining Bitcoin, you may be eligible for some deductions. That's right, you can write off some of the expenses associated with mining, like the cost of electricity and hardware. But let's be real, taxes are not exactly the most exciting topic. So, let's spice things up a bit with some Bitcoin tax jokes. Why did the Bitcoin miner refuse to pay taxes? Because he didn't want to be a hodler to the IRS. Conclusion. So, there you have it, Bitcoin and taxes. It's not exactly a topic that's going to make you want to throw a party, but it's important that you understand the tax implications of your crypto investments. After all, the last thing you want is to get on the bad side of the IRS. And who knows, maybe with a little bit of luck and some smart tax planning, you'll be able to turn your Bitcoin investments into a nice little tax deduction. Just remember, always consult with a tax professional before making any big tax decisions. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto content. And if you have any funny Bitcoin tax jokes, share them in the comments below.